Why am I always tired? Question. It is said that herbal energy booster supplements work like wonders. If that's true, then please suggest a natural supplement for that. In this video, you will know how to get more energy and boost metabolism naturally at home.
Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app. Make sure you do not miss any daily health tips. Get email and mobile notifications about upcoming health videos.
Increase energy level. Yes, herbal energy booster supplements work. They are the best solution if you want to increase your body's energy levels naturally. However, the Sfoorti capsule is also considered to be a potent herbal remedy for defying aging. It's an excellent herbal remedy with time-tested herbs as ingredients. These herbal ingredients have been in use for centuries to deal with various health problems. This capsule is a unique blend of potent herbal ingredients. Delay aging. Above all, it is considered to be an excellent anti-aging capsule. Nutrients are also part of this capsule. This capsule has got antioxidant properties. Not just that, it also has called anti-aging properties. These two can make a huge difference as far as energy levels are concerned. The antioxidants present in this capsule can neutralize free radicals. Well, free radicals are something that requires your attention. Free radicals have got the power to damage the cells. Free radicals also can clog arteries. Well, aging and chronic illnesses happen as a result of free radicals. The potent herbal ingredients of this capsule can neutralize free radicals. It is one of the best herbal energy booster supplements. If you want to know how to get Sfoorti capsules discreetly at home, watch this video until the end. Vital herbs to overcome weakness. Herbal ingredients are the reason behind the effectiveness of this capsule. This capsule's main ingredients are shilajit, shatavari, saffron, ashwagandha, kavak bij, musli safed, etc. We have been heavily depending on these herbs to deal with various health disorders for centuries. The presence of these herbal ingredients makes this capsule extraordinarily influential and powerful. Increase body strength. Start consuming this capsule from today itself. It has to be one of the best herbal energy booster supplements. This capsule can delay aging. Moreover, regular consumption of this capsule will lead to an improved immune system. Also, regular consumption of this capsule will lead to increased stamina and libido. Energy levels of your body will be elevated tremendously with the regular consumption of this capsule. Strength and power will also be on the rise, thanks to this capsule's potent herbal ingredients. Fight diseases. Stress and insomnia will be kept at bay when you consume this capsule. This capsule also can relieve a couple of common diseases in old age. Blood pressure, diabetes, muscular weakness, joint pain, arthritis, etc. will be brought under control when you consume this capsule regularly. The Sfoorti capsule is a prevalent herbal remedy available in the market. Keeping these things in mind, regular consumption of this capsule will help restore health. Youthful appearance and vigor will increase with the regular consumption of this capsule. World's finest stamina booster pills.
%100% herbal ingredients. 100,000 plus happy customers. GMP certified quality. +80 countries presence.
Buy Sfoorti capsule from naturogain.com.
The product link is given in the video description.
Want more videos like this? Subscribe to our YouTube channel.
If you find this video informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, share the video on social sites to spread knowledge. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon on YouTube app and never miss another update. Watch related video for more information and health tips.